In this video, I'll show you how to configure a MikroTik router in station mode to work as WLAN adapter. This is useful when you have a device that supports Ethernet but doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi, such as desktop PC, NVR, and network printer. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to MikroTik router. First, connect your computer to the MikroTik router using an Ethernet cable. Open Winbox Configuration Utility and go to Neighbors tab, select your MikroTik router MAC address, and press Connect button. Create login password if first-time login and password window open. First, remove all default configuration. After removing default configurations, router will disconnect. Connect it again. Step 2. Create bridge interface. Go to Bridge option from left side menu. Bridge all interface except Ethernet 1. Click Press button and add a new bridge. Now go to Port tab and add all Ethernet to bridge. Do not add Ethernet 1 or Internet port. Add WLAN interface, Ethernet 2, Ethernet 3 and more if have multiple Ethernet ports. Step 3. Add IP address, gateway, and DNS. Now go to IP then address from left side menu. Add IP address from same series of your main Wi-Fi router IP series. Example. If your main router IP address 192.168.1.1 use 192.168.1.10 in MikroTik router. Select interface bridge 1. Now go to IP then routes and add default gateway IP address of your main internet router, such as 192.168.1.1, 192.168.0.1. Check your router sticker. Now go to IP then DNS and add primary and secondary DNS server and press Apply OK button. Step 4. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Go to Wireless option from left side menu. Select WLAN interface and enable it. Now double-click it and open. Go to Wireless tab. Select Mode Station Pseudo Bridge and press Apply button. Now press Scan button to search Wi-Fi network nearby. Find the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Select it and press Connect button. You will be back to Wireless settings. Apply and OK settings. Now go to Security tab and add your main Wi-Fi password to default security profile. Make sure the wireless security settings match the network you are connecting to. Add password and press Apply and OK button. After a few seconds, if the connection is successful, the router should receive a wireless connection from the main access point. To confirm connection with main Wi-Fi router, go to Terminal and ping any website name or default gateway IP address. If connection successful, now go to PC or laptop IP settings and select Obtain IP address automatically. Save settings and check Internet. The MikroTik connects to an existing Wi-Fi network as a wireless client, and you can then use its Ethernet interface to provide network connectivity to another device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more MikroTik and networking tutorials. Thanks for watching.